Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and this video going to be about beginning level of genetics, and also it might be interesting for those people who breeding cats, and this video doesn't require your previous knowledge of genetics because this is going to be very easy to understand. So here's a problem. There is a gene in cats that affects development of the spine. Individuals with homozygous recessive genotype are phenotypically normal. Individuals with heterozygous genotype are tailless, Manx cats, and those cats with homozygous dominant genotype is developmentally lethal, so zygotes with this genotype do not develop into kittens. If you cross two Manx cats, what fraction of the kittens are expected to be Manx? And as usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So here's a picture of the Manx cat, and as you see, it doesn't have tail, so whenever you would see a cat or a kitten without a tail, it's not necessary that some cruel people cut the poor cat's tail. In the most cases, this is due to naturally occurring mutation. And of course, people who noticed this mutation started to breed such cats, but it's never turned out to be a pure breed, meaning that if we would take two such cats, the litter wouldn't have 100% of the kittens to be also tailless. And this is what we call pure breed, when characteristics of the parents would repeat in their progeny. And so from genetic point of view, we cannot call such cats breed, and especially because such cats can be of the different phenotypes. It can be like Siberian cats, it also can be Siamese cats. So as you see, different pure breeds can be considered Manx cats. So the only one characteristic that joins them together in one group would be taillessness. So we are told that we have to breed one Manx cat with another one, and in 100% that means that genotype of both cats have to be heterozygous, so have to be capital A and small a, and we breed with another cat of the same genotype, and when we build a Punnett square, we can predict outcome of such a cross. So here we would have capital A, small a here, capital A, small a here, and small a here. We know that this trait is caused by dominant mutated allele, so normal allele would be small a, and we also know that in homozygous condition such kittens wouldn't develop, so we wouldn't find this genotype in our litter. So we only can find genotypes that is heterozygous, like these two, and those who are phenotypically and genotypically normal. So in a litter of two Manx cats, the expected ratio of the Manx cats would be 2 Manx cats to 1 phenotypically normal cat. In other words, we can say that 66% would be tailless cats and 33% would be normal cats with normal size tails. And what would happen if we would take, say, one cat that is Manx cat and another cat which is normal cat? In this scenario, phenotypic ratios are going to be as follows. So one cat is going to be Manx cat and genotype would be heterozygous, and another cat would be phenotypically and genotypically normal. In this case, as you see, the litter still would have Manx cats. So capital A, small a here, capital A, small a here, and small a, small a, small a, small a here. And as you see, 50% of the progeny also would be tailless cats. So this is Manx cat and normal cat here on the side. And 50% of the litter would be Manx cats, and another 50% of the litter would be phenotypically normal cats. So 1 to 1 ratio we can expect in such a cross. And also I want to tell you that this is not the only phenotypic characteristics of this cat's taillessness. I mean, also this cat has longer hind legs, and these cats don't have tails. This type of cats, this breed, considered to be very good hunters, and absence of the tail doesn't affect the ability to catch the prey. And I just noticed that I subconsciously used a different letter to designate this gene. In our problem, we are given gene M that can be dominant and recessive, so capital M and small m, but I used capital A and small a too, because uppercase and lowercase a is different, and it is much easier to use in Punnett squares. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Please share with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.